Hi, first grade. I'm here to teach you lesson 7-4 in math. And it is actually going to be hopefully pretty quick because this is a strategy we're going to learn today that most of you are already using when we subtract. But we are working right now in this part of first grade to try and be able to name those strategies that we are using. So today it says student will learn and apply the counting up and counting back strategy for subtraction. So I'm going to give you some subtraction problems, and we're going to decide if we should count up or count back and which one would make more sense. So the first question I'm going to ask is 11 minus 8. Here it is, 11 minus 8. So, in your brain, you can put 11 and count back 8 times. Let's try that. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So we just counted all the way back from 11. We counted back 8 times and we landed at 3. So that would be our answer. So counting up, that's what we just did. We counted back actually. Counting back, we went like this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. We counted all the way back. We did it 8 times for counting back. We counted back 8 times. So now what I want you to think about is instead of looking at this problem and thinking, oh, I must start at 11 and I must hop back 8 to count back, I want you to think how you could count up. So instead of starting at 11 and doing 8 hops backwards, we could start at 8 and count up to 11. Let's see how long that takes. 8, 9, 10, 11. Got the same answer of 3, but I only had to count up 3. I didn't have to do it the first time when we went 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So now I want you to think, for this problem, was it better to use the counting back or counting up? And in this situation, we just learned counting up was a lot faster because going from 8 to 11 was a lot quicker than starting at 11 and counting backwards 8. All right, let's do another one. See if we can do that. I know you guys count like that already to do these problems, but what I want you to realize is that there's a faster way. So if you're always starting with that first number and counting back all those hops, there could be a much quicker way to count up or count back. Depends on the problem. So let's try this one. 9 minus 7. I can start at 9 and I can hop back 7 times. That sounds like a lot. We put in 9 and then we go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. That was a lot of counting. Or I could start at 7 and go up to 9. 7, 8, 9. That was 2 hops. That was super quick. 2 hops to count up. So really we're thinking about this problem as 7 plus 2 equals 9. Look at me. I've started a fact family here. I have 2 of these problems. So using those problems, I know 7 plus 2 will get me up to 9. So that makes it a lot easier for me than to start at 9 and count all the way back. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So in this case, it was faster to count up from the 7 to the 9 and get 2 hops instead of starting at the 9, doing 7 backwards hops to land with 2 left. Okay? All right, let's do one more. 13 minus 11. Let's see if you're getting the hang of this. 13 minus 11. I could start at 13 and count back 11 hops, but that seems like a lot. So where should I start instead? Start at the 11 and hop up to the 13. 11, 12, 13. That was only 2 hops. Just like the previous problem. That's only 2 hops. It was super quick. So instead we were thinking 11 plus 2 equals 13, which was a lot quicker to solve in our brain than starting at 13 and doing 11 backwards hops. So this was a lot easier to count up. Okay, I got one more. 16 minus 12. Now the problem says start at 16, take 12 backwards hops, but we're smarter than that. We know that taking 12 hops would take forever. So we're going to start at 12 and go up to 16. So it would actually be 12 plus what is going to equal 16. So let's start at 12. For 12 in your head. 13, 14, 15, 16. 4 hops. If you start at 12 and go up 4, you'll land at 16. And these problems go together. You can see like a fact family, they all have the same numbers. 16 minus 12 equals 4. So we are using this counting up to subtract instead of counting back. All right, let's find a problem where counting back actually makes more sense instead of up. So we were doing it different. How about 9 minus 2? Let's see about this one. So we could start and do 9 and take away just 2. That seems pretty quick and easy. So 9, 8, 7. Pretty quick, we landed at 7. So actually counting back for this fact was a lot faster. So you can check that by seeing, okay, do I want to start at 9 and take 2 hops backwards? Is that the easiest way? Or you look at another problem like the one we just had before that said 16 minus 12, and you say, okay, do I want to start at 16 and do 12 hops? Or do I want to start at 12 and just go up to 16 and see how many hops that takes? Okay, so that is how we can think about our subtraction problems by counting up or counting back. They don't always have to be counting back just because they're subtraction. There could be a faster way. All right, now you can log on to Connect Ed and practice more of those problems, deciding if you should count up or count back. All right, see you soon.